channel. If you're new, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and thumbs up this video if you like it. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome. I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, let's get into this video. We're gonna do a natural skincare routine using all natural handmade products, handmade by me. You can find all my vegan soaps on my Etsy shop at VoyageFlower.etsy.com. So today we're using our pasture soap. This is our green pasture soap. It's made out of lemongrass, essential oil, French green clay, and shea butter, coconut oil, and olive oil. All plant-based, no harsh chemical, no synthetic fragrances, and no synthetic colorants. All completely natural from Mother Nature. So if you have sensitive skin or irritating skin, these soaps work very well with sensitive skin. I made them specifically for sensitive skins. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. We're using this. Oh, I forgot my oil, so let me go get my oil real quick. All right, so I got my oil. This is the only moisturizer I use because I don't want to use any harsh chemicals or any other synthetic ingredients on my skin. So I use all natural oils. This is argan oil, jojoba oil, rosehip oil, and vitamin E, all infused in calendula. And by the way, all my soaps are infused in herbs. So this is infused in lemongrass. The oils like the olive oil, coconut oil, and shea butter are infused in lemongrass. And then I make the soap using those infused oils. So yeah, this is an all natural skincare routine. We're using all handmade products, no store-bought factory made products here. Everything is handmade and it's all natural from Mother Nature, and they are all plant-based. So we are gonna go ahead and get started with the video. First, let's take off our glasses and we're gonna get a clean washcloth. This is my face washcloth that I use to exfoliate my face. I don't use this all the time. I usually use this at the end of the day when I need to really get deep into my skin and get rid of all that dirt and oil buildup. So this is when I use the exfoliating washcloth. But in the morning, I just use my hands to gently cleanse my face, because if you overly exfoliate, your skin will get irritated and you will have a reaction to like the harsh cleansing that you keep doing over and over. So you can't really use a face washcloth morning and night unless you are a person who wears makeup. You know, after you remove your makeup, then you can use an exfoliation. But there are lighter exfoliants out there, but for now this is what we're using for today. My little soap holder here. I will be coming up with soap holders very soon, but for now it's just my handmade soaps and my oil. I'm also gonna be restocking on my oils because we are running out of oil, and I'm already infusing the next batch. So as soon as we run out, I'll have more available. So don't worry if you don't get a chance to purchase one. You can always purchase it at a later time. So we're gonna go ahead and wet our face. First, we'll wash our hands. Number one, that's the number one rule. Make sure you wash your hands before washing your face or your whole body, because you don't want to apply soap on your hands and then apply it in your face. You're gonna be applying that bacteria that your hands had and applying it in your face. So make sure you wash your hands first before washing your face or washing your body. So after washing our hands, we went ahead and wet our face. We're gonna go ahead and apply our green pasture soap that has lemongrass. If you love lemongrass, I always say this because some people put lemongrass in their tea just for the scent of it. It has a really sweet, grassy, like a floral grass scent. If a grass can smell floral, it's lemongrass. It's the lemongrass scent. So we're gonna go ahead and apply our lemongrass soap on our face. Okay, first we apply it on our face. Make sure you get all the spots, and then we're gonna apply it on a washcloth. Okay, and as you can tell, the green doesn't really stain since it's just a clay. It doesn't really stain much. So we're gonna go ahead and exfoliate our face just like this. I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face, and then I'll come back. All right, so we already exfoliated our face. I'm gonna go ahead and wash off the soap, and then we'll be back for the next step. Today we're exfoliating our face like really good. I'm gonna go ahead and apply the soap one more time, and this time I'm just gonna use my hands to just gently get the soap inside so that I can cleanse. So one question I get a lot is, do my vegan soaps, can you use them on your face and body? And the answer is yes, you can use my vegan soap on your face and body. They are completely safe and usable on the rest of your body. I feel like if you can use a soap on your hands, because your hands has a skin that's protecting the other organs, I feel that you should be able to use it on the rest of your skins, the rest of your body. So, because your hands are just as sensitive as your face, it's just that your hands are more exposed. But if it's safe for your hands, yeah, so yes, you can use it on your face and the rest of your body. Now we're gonna apply our dhahabu oil. This is our handmade all natural oils. I'm gonna go ahead and apply it. I'm actually running out, but you can see the calendula that it has been infused in. I need to give me another one. So I usually do like 3 drops on my face, and then I pat my face. I don't rub it in. And that's just something I've learned. I feel like after that harsh exfoliating, your skin needs a little bit of like gentleness and more caring to it. So that's why I pat my moisturizer in instead of rubbing it. Of course, don't forget your neck. It's something that people always forget. So, and we are done. This is our skin. I hope you enjoyed this natural skincare routine with all natural ingredients. This is all moisturized and rejuvenating. But this is all natural ingredients, no harsh chemical, something that you made with your hands. This is really good for your skin. So we're gonna go ahead and have a great night or a great day if you're starting out your day with a nice, like your skin can breathe. So, with your lips. Don't forget to moisturize your lips, okay? Because it's also a skin. So make sure you moisturize your lips as well. And make sure you use natural ingredients to moisturize your skin and your lips. Anyways, that'll be all for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Again, these products are all available for sale on my Etsy shop. I'll link the website in the description box. I'll link the website in the description box. But that is all for my video. I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you again in my next one. Amahoro.